Hey you guys, I totally forgot to record an intro and an outro to this video, so here I am now the following day, but the Super Bowl was this past weekend and we usually go all out for our Super Bowl parties. Since we moved to Sacramento, we had something a lot more low-key this year, but I figured I'd bring you along and show you some of the yummy things that I made. It was kind of like the year of dips. I made a bunch of different dips. I made a spinach artichoke dip that is my all-time favorite. It's my favorite thing to bring to potlucks, to make when people come over. It's a recipe from Chloe's Kitchen by Chef Chloe Coscarelli. I'll drop it in the comments below if you want to check out that cookbook. It's my favorite cookbook of all times. It's so, so good. Number 2, I made a buffalo chicken dip. This was inspired by my friend Mike. He used to make this back in Ohio and it's so good. It was my first time making it and just really, really decadent and delicious. Let's see, I made a cheesy like nacho cheese dip from the Minimalist Baker's cookbook. It was actually my first thing that I made from their cookbook and it was good. It was okay. I had made it the day before and like reheated it, but I don't know. It wasn't my favorite thing. So if you're looking for ideas for dips, hopefully this gives you a few. And yeah, maybe next year when we go a little bit more all out for the party, I'll have a bit more to show you guys. I usually make buffalo cauliflower wings, which I love. I have a recipe for that over on worldofvegan.com. I will link that below if you want to try that out. But if you guys had a Super Bowl party, I would love to hear what you love snacking on down below. There's definitely no need to sacrifice if you prepare and look at some recipes in advance. You can make anything that you would normally eat just vegan. So hopefully you guys all got to do that. Otherwise, get ready to start planning next year. Thank you guys so much for watching this little video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned to all the future vegan videos that are coming your way. And I will see you next time.